Man, I'm a whole lot warmer. I'm starting to get hungry, so I am going to make a tinfoil dinner. Little salt, pepper, little pork jowl bacon on there, green onion, and a whole bunch of cilantro. If you're doing this at home, use Italian sausage or kielbasa instead of bratwurst, and it's even better. But hey, you know, use what you got. Alrighty. Oh, I think the rain eased up. If I'm gonna make a fire, I better do it now. There we go. Even with the dry kindling, that fire isn't taking aggressively. There's so much humidity in the air. I put these wet pieces of wood up here so they can dry, but they'll also act as a roof if it starts to rain, which will protect the fire.